Hey, Austin, how many times has this happened to you?
Man, I got baked. But I didn't have time to brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth, but I didn't have time to get baked.
Well, I have something that's gonna change all that.
Really?
Really?
What is it?
It's the all-new Brush and Bake from AustinCo. It's the all-in-one tool that you can use to brush your teeth and get higher than a South Austin barista in one fell swoop.
Really?
Really? And using the Brush and Bake, it's a simple two-step process. Step 1, brush your teeth. Step 2, get high. It's just that easy.
Really?
Really. And it's a perfect Christmas gift for anyone. Your spouse.
Thanks, buddy.
Your children.
Thanks, buddy.
Even your coworker.
Really?
Really?
Really.
Thanks, bacon.
Brush.
Thanks, bacon.
Bake?
Brush.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Get your Brush and Bake today and make Christmas a high holiday. Brought to you by Austin.